Hi, this is Daniel, the Passive Cash Stacker, and today I'm going to show you how to do pre-recorded lives. Now, I use a streaming software to do live videos, but earlier I forgot to send it out and let it go to all the places we were going to send it out to. And so I'm going to show you how you're able to do pre-recorded lives. So this is a live that I have going right now that was pre-recorded because we recorded it earlier today, but we forgot to make it go live on all our other channels. So if you have a video that you have created, you can go ahead and do a pre-recorded live on your streaming software. So right here, we use Streamyard. And when you want to create a broadcast, you can do live streams and you can use studio or pre-recorded. And you're able to select all of the different places that you want it to go. You put a title and description, and all you do is click pre-recorded video. You select the time and the date that you want it to go, and you let it go. Like I said, I forgot to let this one go earlier today, and so this one that we recorded is actually going live right now where we scheduled it, and it's super quick and easy to be able to do this. And what I love about this software here is that you are able to create your own lives, and you're able to create your own dashboards so that when you are going to do your live screen, let's go here and enter the studio and I'll show you, you are able to go in and you're able to select anything that you want. So right here we can add to the stream. Hello. All right, and then you're able to select your own setup here. So you can have whatever you're streaming here, whether you're doing a screen share. So look, we can do like a screen share. All right, and go ahead and share our screen, and we'll share the screen of the live that we currently have going. We just click share, and right there we have a video ready to go, and we can go ahead and select it however we want it so that we have the live set up. So right here we have this guy going, we have our screen share. And so when you want to go ahead and add something to the screen, you just click add item here, and then you can go ahead and add whatever you want in whatever place you want. You can go ahead and create the size that you want. So you're able to set it up exactly as you like it so that you're able to do the stream and have it set up exactly how you wanted, which is pretty cool. You can move things, put them wherever you want, make them as small as you want, and you can have different things set up so that you have the ability to be able to do this, right? So you can put cameras anywhere you want them. You can go ahead and put camera grids, all kinds of stuff. So it's super easy to set up and run a pre-recorded live stream, whether you have a video or you record it inside the app and then you let it go live on all your channels like we have this going right now. This is one we recorded earlier, and it was super easy. So now, if you decide that you like to be able to do pre-recorded streams and you want to go ahead and try out Streamyard on any Pro app or the Pro application, if you want to go ahead and get it on the Pro plan, I will go ahead and throw in some bonuses for you, and they will be my YouTube ranking extension and my YouTube ranking course. I'll get you the YouTube ranking course for 50 cents, where I usually sell it for $17.50, and you will also get my YouTube ranking extension 2 months for free, as well as, if you decide to keep it after that, a 50% lifetime discount. So instead of paying $47.77 a month for it, you can get it for $23.50. All right, thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you smack that thumbs up, and I hope to hear your thoughts down below in the comments, whether you think this is an easy way to share a pre-recorded video for your live stream. All right, we'll talk to you later. Have a great day.